Sikkim State. Sikkim, a window of Himalaya. Historic significance of Sikkim. Sikkim is a hill state located in northern eastern part of India. This thumb-shaped state adjoined Nepal in the western Chinese Tibet autonomous region in the north and east, and Bhutan in the southeast. West Bengal east of India is to east-south. English, Gorkha Khas language, Lapcha, Bhutia, Limbu, and Hindi are the official language. Hinduism and Bajrayan Buddhism are the main religion of Sikkim. Gangtok is the capital and the largest city. The name Sikkim was the independent state ruled by the Gyal monarchy by the merged with the referendum in 1975 due to administrative problem and merged and referendum in India. Despite its small size, Sikkim is geographically d- diverse. Geography of Sikkim state. Capital of Sikkim. Sikkim is bordered by the Tibet Autonomous Region of China to the north and northeast, by the Bhutan to the southeast, by the India state of West Bengal to the south, and by Nepal to the west. The capital is the Gangtok in the southeastern part of state. Highest mountain peak of Sikkim, Kanchenjunga, also spelled Kanchenjunga or Kinchinjunga, Nepali, Kumbhakaran Langur, world third highest mountain with a elevation of 28,169 feet. It is situated in the eastern Himalaya on the border between Sikkim state, northeastern India and eastern Nepal, 46 miles north-northwest of Darjeeling, Sikkim. The mountain is part of Great Himalaya Range. The Kanchenjunga Massif is in form of gigantic cross, the arms of with which extend north, south, east, west. List of most gorgeous river in Sikkim: Testa River, Rangit River, Rangpo River, Lachen River, Rally River, Jaldhaka River. Climate and its impact. Sikkim. What is the climate of Sikkim? Sikkim climate range from subtropical in the south of tundra in the north. Most of inhabited region of Sikkim experience a temperate climate with the temperature seldom exceeding 28 degrees Celsius in summer. The average annual temperature of the most of Sikkim is around 80 degrees Celsius. What is the impact of climate? The changing climate impact society and ecosystem in the broad variety of way. For example, climate change can alter rainfall, influence crop yield, affect human health, cause change to forest and other ecosystem, and even impact our energy supply. What are the main impact of climate change? Increased heat, drought, and insect outbreak, all linked to climate change, have increased wildfire, declining water supplies, reduced agriculture yield, health impact in cities due to heat and flooding, and erosion of coastal areas. Addition curses. Special of plants and animals found. The fauna of Sikkim plant are the snow leopard, musk deer, Himalayan thar, red panda, Himalayan marmot, Himalayan sparrow, Himalayan goral, manjak, common langur, Asian black deer, clouded leopard, marbled cat, leopard cat, dhole, Tibetan wolf, hog badger, Betorong, Himalayan jungle cat. Agriculture scheme in Sikkim. Minor irrigation scheme are taken up under accelerated irrigation benefit program has 19:10, 19 central assist and 10 state share. With the implementation of minor irrigation schemes under irrigation infrastructure have been schemes and improved greatly. Sikkim agriculture: wheat, paddy, maize, barley, buckwheat, cardamom, potatoes, tea. Soil and its type of Sikkim. Sikkim enjoys a wide range of climate mapped physiography, geology, and vegetation that influence the formation of different kinds of soil. These soils have been mapped, described, analyzed, categorized, and classified under 5 broad physiographic units. Government and political system of Sikkim. Role of legislative, executive, and judiciary. The post is largely ceremonial. The chief minister is the head of the government and vested with the bulk of executive power. Gangtok is the capital of Sikkim and the house of the Vidhan Sabha. The Secretariat and Sikkim High Court. Council of Ministers. Prem Singh Tamang, Chief Minister, Home Department, Excise Department, Finance. Kunga Nima Lepcha, Human Resource Development, Land Revenue, Law and Legislative Parliament Affairs. Sonam Lama, Rural Management and Development, Panchayati Raj Excellential Department. Bedu Singh Path, Tourism and Civil Aviation and Commerce. Loknath Sharma, Information and Public Relation Department, IPR for Security, Agriculture Development. Sanjeet Kheral, Sikkim Public Work and Transport Deputy. Arun Preti, Urban Development and Housing Development, Food, Civil Supplies. 4 District of Sikkim. Sikkim has 4 districts: East Sikkim, West Sikkim, North Sikkim, South Sikkim. District capital are Gangtok, Gyalsik, Mangan and Namchi. East of Sikkim district is overseen by state government appointee, the district collector. Education in Sikkim. 5 famous personalities of Sikkim. Bechung Bhutia, born in small village in Sikkim of the farmer parent. Bechung sheer talent took him to great of success, from the second Indian footballer to professionally play in Europe to wear a captain jersey for the Indian football team. He has been it all. Danny Derzongpa. Danny Derzongpa was one of Hindi cinema favorite villain of the 70s and 80s. Born in Gangtok, Danny did his schooling from the state capital Academy of Film Television Institute of India. He soon joined the film industry. Oming Gangu, a reputed fashion designer. Oming Gurung was born and brought up Sikkim. Before becoming a full-time designer, he worked as a fashion editor. He owned a very popular eco-friendly boutique called Green Gangtok. Nirmal Chetri, born in Meli, Sikkim, is an Indian footballer who plays mainly as a defender for DSK Shivajian in the First League. Terundeep Rai, born in Namchi, Sikkim, India, in the Indian Archer. Terundeep is a recipient of the Arjun Award for his achievement in archery. School, university, and school college in Sikkim. Sikkim is located in Himalayan mountains. The largest institute of state Sikkim Manipal Uni- Manipal University of Technology Science, which offers higher education in engineering, medicine, and management. It is also provide various distance education programming in diverse field. Sikkim has two state-run polytechnical schools, to the to advanced technological training and the Center of Computer and Communication Technology. Schooling are provided economically weak students belong to scheduled tribe, scheduled caste, minority, and other backward classes communities with an aim to encourage them to pursue their studies both are pre-matric and post-matric level. The basic objective of the school is encourage parents belong to from following communities to send their children to school, lighten their financial burden on the school education, and sustain their efforts to support their children so that their children complete school education. Art and culture aspect of Sikkim. Traditional dress of Sikkim for men and women. Boku worn by men and women like boku, also known as khu, is the most famous Sikkim culture dress. It is a loose cloak-like cloth piece that is tied at the neck and tightened around the waist and help to belt made of silk or cotton. Three main languages of Sikkim. The first three languages of Sikkim state are Nepali, Bhotia, Lepcha. Nepali is spoken the majority of the population and the lingua franca of Sikkim. Top 5 festival. Some of the most popular festival notable in the Sikkim are Lusung, Drupa Tesi, Bumchu, Saga Dawa, Dasin, and Fang Lapsol. Saga Dawa is an amazing festival that is triple blessed. Agriculture building in Sikkim. Tap Sangoling Monarchy Peling, Negatag Monastery, Tushuk La Khang Monarchy, Doling Kampa, Ravla Lava Darjeeling. Major region of Sikkim. The predominant region of Hinduism is Vajrayana Buddhism. Sikkim economy is largely dependent on agriculture and tourism. As of 2014, the state had third smallest GDP among Indian states, although the fastest growing. It is also among the fastest growing. Name Madhav Saini, class 9th E, roll number 25, school Karachi Ansaraj Model School.